What is going on, guys? I wanted to tell y'all one more time, there's going to be a car meet in Birmingham, Alabama at the... I forgot. What's going on, guys? The days are counting down and I'm in my garage right now. But what I say the days are counting down to is this thing and the car are getting liquid wrapped. If y'all wanted to meet up with me while I'm in Alabama getting that process done, I'm going to be at the Birmingham Greyhound Racing Complex, 1000 John Rogers Drive, Birmingham, Alabama, 35210 zip code. Obviously no crazy stuff, no burnouts, revving. It's not my property and I don't want anyone to have to pay for any property damage because there will be people out there enforcing laws. So if y'all want to come out and say hi, feel free to, but don't act an ass. But I can't wait to see y'all there. So without further ado, let's get into the video of why I'm talking about this event. The truck is going to get liquid wrapped and the car is going to get liquid wrapped. But the problem with the truck is, if you look over here, I was looking at this bed corner right here and I was like, oh, what's going on? And then I see this. There is a hole, a rust hole in the corner of this bed. So what I have is a couple gallons of bondo and I'm going to bondo this thing. Alright, so let's pull out some of this junk in here. Metal, more rust over there. Daggum, this thing is full of rust. It's just right here too. Everywhere else on the body is really straight, but this spot right here just got rusted out real bad. There that goes. Alright, there we go. So, let's go ahead and get bondoing. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna grab this bondo here and have the hole pretty much ready. Most all that rust is out of there. I need to find something I can stir this on. Bondo on a box, so you grab me a shovel of this. Oh yeah, put that here. Now grab a little bit of this. I'm gonna need way more. What the fuck am I thinking? That might be enough. Get a little bit of this stuff in there. It was like ice cream. You trying to get a free car for freaking the price of a t-shirt? I just wanted to let y'all know there's a freaking amazing deal going on Gavin's channel of giving away a whole Miata. Super fun cars. So if you want a chance to win a Miata, go to itsjustasix.com/shop and get a Miata. And if you're not sure what that means or what I'm talking about, or you're just generally confused, why don't you give this video a view real quick.
With this car, go to itsjustasix.com/shop, go check out our new designs, pick up some merch, get in and win this car right here.
Alright guys, so now that you watched that video, you know what the giveaway is now. I'm really telling y'all want to win this car. I would love to win this Miata. Like I said, I'm all about cheap stuff. And if I pay $20 for a chance to win a whole car, I'd definitely do it myself. You also get to meet me and meet Gavin, and you get to race my Mustang. So like I said, all those things are reasons why you'd want to do this. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start wiping this paste on my truck. Shit, this is gonna suck. I literally have to do this. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna have to let it dry. All right, now it's getting a little bit of tackiness to it. Go ahead and get the rest off the door and all that. Also, it's a good idea to clean off these guys in between stuff so the Bondo doesn't hard on them, and that way your putty knives are pretty solid. This is also the fast drying Bondo. This dries in 15 minutes. So now, this stuff is going to harden. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing sticking out of it, and I'll be able to put more Bondo on top of that, and eventually I'll be able to get it soft enough to where it will stick to the whole vehicle. That stuff's already hard. And now, we do it again. Oh baby, Bondo's like the most fun stuff. Any vehicle's able to be fixed with enough Bondo. There was a truck that went to a place called Clyde Fant where we used to go to. I've actually made a video, check that video out. That place is pretty much like where everyone goes where I was from to show off their vehicles. And there was a truck we called Bucket of Bondo because it drove by and one side of it looked really clean and the other side was literally just completely mangled. Everything was broken on it. The first thing I thought of is I was like, damn, that truck would look really good with an extra 5 gallons of Bondo. The name just kind of stuck, so the truck became the Bondo Bucket. He never ended up doing it, but it was a funny joke. Oh, I need to get that stuff in here. Also, I'm not like a professional at anything. Damn it, it fell. All right, I gotta let this dry. Damn it. Oh boy, this is really just painful. I don't like Bondo. I don't like working with Bondo, but it's great. I mean, it's like freaking the MGK disc. You're a great rapper, but fuck you. All right, so now the hole is even better. So I'm gonna let that dry a little bit more and then fill up this last teeny little hole right there. Then we can get to sanding on this stuff. So now I'm gonna let that dry so that hole gets filled in. Then we will go ahead, sand it down, and then put another last layer on, and then sand that layer off as well. One thing that we're also gonna have to do while I'm letting that dry, I want to get these pinstriping lines off because those will look stupid under a liquid wrap. Yeah, definitely put Bondo on with gloves. This sucks. Right now I'm just sanding down most of these spots that have problems with them because the truck's not going to get much body work done to it before it gets wrapped. I'm doing most of that, but the car is going to get body work done to it as it's getting wrapped by one of Jared's friends. He's really hooking it up. If you got a shop you can do it at, definitely check out Rails Products. They do great work. Meep, the Miata, after it got coated in an actual booth, it looks freaking gorgeous. But let's get these lines off and we'll be good. I just breathed in. Oof. Damn. All right, so don't breathe in. Don't breathe in dust. I've got to let my Bondo figure itself out real quick. There we go. That's what I like to see. Damn, that's hot. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. This literally is too hot to touch. Look how bendy this is. Like, look at this one. What the hell? I wonder if it's because the stuff I got. Oh, don't get Bondo on you. It burns. It's a good thing I got the sander and some razor blades. One last mixture. Just like a 7-inch hole in my truck.
Oh, yeah, that's how you do that. You're a metal fab.
I'm a metal fab with Bondo.
Why are you not metal fabbing?
I don't have the metal that I need, as well as it's hard to do that with a welder that I have. I've never done it before with a MIG welder, only TIG.
Tack it a bunch with a MIG and then grind it back.
Well, we didn't have any metal that would work, so. That is true, Lowe's does have it.
Lowe's has it. Stop before you get too far in.
Hey, I'm already too far in. It's already hard. All right, so I got that new stuff on there. I'm gonna let that harden over a few hours. I'm gonna go hang out at the pool with the boys. Then, that should be solid. Let's see if this thing closes. Oh, like a glove! The truck fits in the garage with a dirt bike behind it and a set of Hoosiers behind it. Adios, truck. I will see you on the flip side.
Makes everything funnier. So you gotta come up in my face at the moment that I don't have eyebrows.
Simon, put me down.
Please follow me.
Take off the glasses and people will be able to see. This is why you need to follow Zorby. This man literally cut off his eyebrows because he wanted 5,000 followers. Gavin got him 5,000 followers in 24 hours. So y'all follow him and tell us what we want to do to Daniel next.
Cut my off for 100,000 in a day.
Yuck. Burning stuff.
I didn't know anything. But if you get salmonella, don't blame me.
About ready to jump in the pool. I just wanted to show y'all I actually have friends.
Throw the phone into the football. Yeah, it is. All right, you ready? Here we go. We're tossing it up to Poe.
Don't miss
Poe's
Poe.
gonna catch it.
Don't
You
miss
ready,
Poe
dog?
and hit the concrete.
All right, ready? Go. We're still live. I'm upside down, but we're live. Gavin, catch.
Oh, it's gonna break and you're gonna have to buy a whole new phone.
Only resistance for like 2 feet of water.
Throw it straight up, and I'm gonna jump over you and catch it.
It's gonna hit Gavin in the face.
Go. Go!
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, let me see that thing.
Hello?
This feels so wrong.
You should do that with the G7.
Now we're gonna have the behind the scenes of me filming the intro. I'm filming an intro right now. That was an intro. Are you sure? All right, Jake's not getting in the pool. That's all we started the live stream for. Y'all failed.
But it turned into something great.
Go to www.com. www.itsjust6.com/shop. Don't stop the live stream.
Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop.
your phone
10 white toes in the two flaps. Hey, your butt. You're gonna skip your phone?
It's not even just still going, it's live still.
All right, guys. I just wanted to film to see if we could get Jake in the pool, but like he's still outside of the pool.
I'm working.
We're no longer going to live stream anymore. Jake doesn't want to hang out with us. Damn, I got 746 viewers.
All right, so if you guys see this stuff, it dried. So now I'm gonna take a sander to it and get it somewhat good condition. So let's go ahead and start with that. I'm gonna take this brush right here and just brush off some of the stuff that shouldn't be there. I feel like I'm sculpting right now. So I need to do some body work on the truck too. All right, that fender actually looks pretty solid now. So now I got an actual razor blade. Let's go ahead and get this off. Why does it have to go down the whole length of the truck? Screw you, Ford. All right, so I'm just gonna keep doing this until all the pinstriping's off. Look at this. The truck no longer has pinstriping. Pretty happy about that. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it here on this one. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great one. And also keep looking at the details on the meat. I'm looking forward to see y'all there. Have a good one. Remember to send it.